Hey, what's up, Harmony One holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Harmony, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the urgent update of the Harmony. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So, guys, the currently live price of Harmony in the market is 0.082886 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of the harmony in the market. And on the other hand, if you look the changes occur in the harmony, so you can see here that everything the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the harmony is positive completely, my friends. Harmony is now in the pumping mode, and I hope, guys, if these kind of positive changes continue in the harmony for 1 month, for 1 month, so I'm sure about that harmony price will be 1 USD dollar. Price will be 1 USD dollar. I'm sure about that. Now, guys, let me show you the price chart of the harmony. You can see, my friends, really a good jump soaked by harmony at this time. And now, currently, the latest situation also in the pumping mode. But remember, you can see here, my friends, that after false zeros jump, at this time the price falls down, and now the price pump again. Here falls down, and now in the latest situation, the price is in the pumping mode. So this is how they continue as moves. Sometime price jumps, sometime the price pump. So never lose hope, just hold for a long time. They will make you millionaire, they will give you a huge amount of profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.